Looking for a keyboard that delivers premium performance without breaking the bank? Stay tuned to uncover why the Fantech MaxFit 108 855 Malawian kwachas might be your perfect match. With a wired USB Type-C connection, this mechanical keyboard ensures a stable and fast response. It boasts a 100% layout plus 4 additional media keys for convenience. Each key features anti-ghosting technology, ensuring every keystroke is registered. Its double injection keycaps promise longevity, paired with a smooth 1000 Hz polling rate. Blue switches provide tactile feedback with a 50 million click lifespan. Weighing just 967 grams, it's sturdy yet portable. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty, offering peace of mind. Like what you see? Subscribe for more.